In this video, I'm going to show you how to drain water from your pool when you have a cartridge system. On a lot of your pool systems, you will see this little thread attachment above the three-way valve on the filter. This is so that you can attach your garden hose to it so that it can drain the water to your nearest sewer point. As you can see here, I've also adapted that so that I can put my pool hose over it and actually clamped it down so that I can increase the flow and the speed in which the water will drain from the pool. To be able to move this handle safely, first thing we want to do is have the pool pump running, but also if you have a 3-speed pump, we want to select the eco speed on the pump so that it doesn't actually blow the fitting off. Once we are in eco, we can then slowly maneuver this handle so that it will allow water flow out down the hose. Once it has then reached your level that you're happy with, which should be no more than halfway on the skimmer as a minimum, we can then turn the valve back to the closed position, change your speed back to whatever your normal running was, and then continue your normal filtration.